amazing start. I think we all just found our Mera Wala dance in that line.
If that's how we're beginning, I don't even know how we're supposed to stay seated for the rest of the night.
Stay on your 300.
Now, before we keep
Stand
things
here,
rolling,
300.
we want to take a moment to appreciate the people who made all of this possible.
The ones that lead the behind the scenes, planning, organizing, making sure everything runs the way it should.
Because let's be honest, the night would not look the same without them.
And as if putting together this entire show wasn't enough,
They've got a little surprise for us.
so please welcome to the stage our amazing presidents, Syra and Dia.
Yeah, I'll do it after. Thank you. But I need to figure out.
Chum chum. And just like that, the whole room was under a spell and had no interest in breaking.
An absolute show stealer, this little surprise had a huge impact.
Our next category is one that is very near and dear to our hearts this year. Quickest turnaround.
This award goes to the act and the team that, against all odds, pulled up, locked in, and delivered.
Honestly, grab your Kala Chashma because no one saw this coming.
From chaos to the stage in record time, this one is for the team that refused to let us down.
Claremont, make some noise for your quickest turnaround winners.
Pakistani!
Pakistani got me and my two left feet grooving.
Truly the deserving winners.
Okay, up next. I'm warning everyone in advance. Let's just say this next act is not exactly subtle.
This act brings bold energy and dancers that are ready to own this stage. The winners of our power-packed performance category is representing one of our very own Claremont colleges.
The stage is theirs, the lights are ready, and trust me, you do not want to miss this.
So everyone, you know what to do. Make some noise for...
Harvey Mudd College!
I know I should sleep, but the voices in my head go.
Had me zingoting in my seat the entire time.
Should have seen me dancing right beside them in the wings.
I think Harvey Mudd just stole the show. Give it up for them one more time.
Our next category is one of the most prestigious of the night, the Lifetime Achievement Award.
This award honors dancers who have dedicated years, often since a very young age, to mastering their craft.
It celebrates discipline, tradition, and a deep-rooted passion for an art that has stood the test of time.
And who says classical can't be cool, modern, and completely captivating?
Tonight's performance proves that elegance never goes out of style.
So let's give a huge round of applause for the most classy performance of the night.
Semi-classical.
Da 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 Coming now, follow my lead. Come coming now, follow my lead.
You ain't stopping me. Step aside, motherfucker. I said, tree, over line of free. Just set me free. Y'all see, walking easily, so casually. No cliche, nothing mentally. It's a guarantee. Talk to me, numbers never lie. Add it up, that's me. I said 23.
Okay, I need everyone to take a breath.
Just one though, because honestly that performance did not give us a single moment to breathe.
The circles, the energy, the twirls, I was dizzy up there.
Best spin award? Please, that wasn't a spin, that was a whole vortex.
Garba, everybody. The only performance tonight that made the entire room wish it was Navaratri.
And now, we arrive at a category for the performance who came tonight with a very specific strategy.
They did the research, they ran the numbers, they optimized every single move.
Because these people don't just show up. They show up with a diversified portfolio.
A little bit of criminal energy,
A lucky boy moment or two, and a Dilli wali girlfriend who needs a big bank account.
So, presenting the award for the performance with the highest yield of the night,
The best credit score award goes to
CMC.
Wow. Criminal moves, check. Lucky boy energy, check. Dilli wali girlfriend, check. The auditors have it flagged, and we are not complaining.
That portfolio, completely unhedged. Zero risk management, all reward.
CMC really said maximum returns, minimum chill.
Up next is the Geordie #1 award.
To take us on a journey from the initial tiffs of a new friendship, when it's all about iski, ya uski.
You know, the phase where no one wants to admit they care, but somehow you're still always together.
And every little thing turns into a dramatic debate for absolutely no reason.
So the mid-act breakup,
Where suddenly it's we're never speaking again, until of course you absolutely are.
because let's be honest, no duo can stay apart for too long.
It's when tensions melt away and it's all rock and roll party.
Where all the drama disappears and it's just vibes, chaos, and the perfect sync.
Because at the end of the day, the best partnerships always find their way back.
What's the wait then? Let's give it up for partner.
shake your body, rock and roll to the beat of the drum.
Damn, Udon. Now I want a Sonia that I can rock and roll with.
I mean, after that performance, don't we all? Partner, everybody. Setting the bar for Jodies everywhere tonight.
And now, right at the midpoint of our show, we present the best halftime show.
Because what's a show without that moment where everything just levels up?
This is where style is effortless, the moves are smooth, and somehow everyone on stage just looks cooler than the rest of us.
You know the type. The ones you watch and you immediately think, I wish I could do that.
So keep your nenas locked in, because you won't want to miss a second of this.
With slick transitions, clean execution, and that impeccable style.
And the award goes to Hip Hop!
Ella viene por ahí y nunca llega sola. Ella nunca llega sola. Todos los bandidos sacan las pistolas. Esta noche lo que hay.
मेरी खुद से बड़ी दूरी बस तेरी है जी हजूरी जमाना क्या ही समझेगा दिल गवाना क्यों जरूरी ना कहना नींद सी तेरा मुखड़ा देखते रहना नी मेरी है ना इश्क दे तेरे दिल को लेना नी
लाडो भर गई कितने सी मैं देखे हलाक कर गई कितने आदे दिनां ते चला गई मरिया जदों जल्दी आंदी मेरे नाल गल कर गई करती सी बड़ा हाथ उत्ते टैम दा दूर जांदी देख मेरा दिल सहमदा कहंदी मैनू मेरे कोलों हथ च छड़ा के हुण जांदे हो गए 9:45 नी तू सोनी वाली करदा दिल मिलन नू काली कातों तू डरदी कुड़िए लाली मेरे नाल जे यारी होए होए नी तू सोनी वाली करदा दिल मिलन नू काली कातों तू डरदी कुड़िए लाली मेरे नाल जे यारी
जवाब तेरे जलवे हजार मेरा भी पता है मैं न मानू कभी हार तेरी मेरी दुनिया में बेहिसाब प्यार मैं हूँ एक एंजल और डेविल मेरा यार तेरे जैसा दुनिया में कोई भी नहीं जिसे ढूंढती नजर लगे तू ही है वही परियों की रानी हूँ मैं सबसे हंसी पर तेरे बिना किक मुझे मिलती नहीं जिन्होंने यार ना मिले ते मर जावा जिन्होंने प्यार ना मिले ते मर जावा जिन्होंने प्यार ना मिले जिन्होंने यार ना मिले जिन्होंने प्यार ना मिले 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 मिले
Okay, I feel like that was just a different lead.
No, seriously. The way that all came together, nothing missed.
And I don't know about you, but I couldn't pick up one of those 9:45 steps, even if at 9 to 5.
Yeah, no chance. But that's why they're up here and we're here.
That being said, we reached our intermission, but the show is far from over.
Because what's an award show without a special live segment?
Up next, we have a set of performances that take us through different shades of Bollywood music.
From something a little playful and unpredictable
to something more raw and heartfelt.
So sit back and take it all in.
Please welcome to the stage
Sanaya, Ismail, and Asfandiara.
Sing along if you know the song.
Haro Hello, everyone. Before we start, I'd just like to make a small announcement. I'd like to dedicate my song to my baby sister, Medina, who's in row 11 right there. If we give her a round of applause. Thank you. अपने कर्म की कारदाए यारा न जाने कब से उम्मीदें कुछ बाकी है मुझे फिर भी तेरी याद क्यों आती है न जाने कब से अब तो आदत सी है मुझको ऐसे जीने में जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा भी नहीं है अब तो जिंदा हूँ मैं इस नीले आसमां में सभी यादें भुला दो मिटा दो
Before I begin my song, I would just like to take a moment to give some context as to what I'm singing. The song I'm singing today, it represents a lot of what we hold in classical South Asian music, both in terms of musicality and also in terms of its lyricism. Specifically with regards to the latter, a lot of classical South Asian music is based on Sufism, which is a branch of Islam, and there are some core beliefs within Sufism. There's a quote by Rumi, who's a Sufi poet and philosopher. He says that all loves are a bridge to divine love. That learning to love not just yourself, be it someone else, be it a tree that you're appreciating, is a way for you to represent, for you to appreciate the divine, for you to love the divine. And another aspect of Sufism is oneness of reality. So recognizing that the divine is present both within you and within every other thing that you find within the world. And you don't have to label this as the divine, you just have to perhaps recognize this as a state of our reality, call it whatever. But the reason this is applicable to the song that I'm singing is the song has 3 sections, and you'll see that very clearly in its music composition. The first section, it talks about a soul that is embedded in chaos, a soul that is confused. It does not understand its place in the world. It's surrounded by chaos, it's surrounded by people, it's surrounded by a crowd, but it's still confused. And then there's a transition musically where the lyricist says, I'm forgetting the lyric. The lyricist says, yeah, हाँ अकेला है मन पर मुकम्मल है ये अधूरे हो तुम. Yes, this soul, it is alone, but it is whole, you are incomplete. And who is this you that the lyricist is talking about? There's a distinction between being alone and being lonely. And this is embedded within this belief of Sufism, that you can kind of find everything within. You are experiencing a certain oneness of reality. You are connected to the entire world around you. And the reason I chose this song today, and the reason I particularly feel these lyrics, is because about a year ago, I lost one of my best friends. And this was his favorite song. And since then, the meaning of the song has really evolved for me. Because this lyric, हाँ अकेला है मन पर मुकम्मल है ये अधूरे हो तुम. Yes, the soul is alone, but it is whole. You are the one who's incomplete. It has really started resonating with me because after his passing, I would often wake up dreaming about him. The dreams would feel real. I would forget that he had passed away. But then months later, and this is something no one really tells you, that the hardest part of experiencing loss is not grieving, but forgetting. That you truly start losing someone once they stop holding a place in your memory. And so, you might physically be alone in the world, but you can find everything within. So long as you hold it there, so long as you remember to love, and so long as you remember to remember. So this song is dedicated to my friend Arat. Love you.
जमीन पर फरेब के ये सारे घर इनमें रहने वाले तो मुँह सफेद दिल पत्थर जिम्मा है ये कुदरत का या कता तुम्हारी है जो भी है सबब सो है पर सजा हमारी है
Wow, that was such a beautiful way to spend that intermission.
Sanaya set the tone so well. That was such a fun vibe, and what an incredible voice.
Yeah, it was just one of those performances you can sit back and really enjoy from start to finish.
And then Ismail and Asfandir came in and completely changed the mood.
That one was really heartfelt. You could tell they were fully in it.
Let's hear it one more time for Sanaya, Ismail, and Asfandir.
And now, we're jumping right back into the competition. Our next category is about going all in. The Best Mass Performance Award.
This is for the performances where it's not about holding back. It's about dancing like nobody's watching and giving it everything you've got.
The kind where you let loose, your heart is fully in it, and every beat just pulls you deeper.
No overthinking, no hesitation, just pure joy, powerful rhythms, and a stage that feels impossible to contain.
This is the kind of performance that makes you want to jump in and join them.
And the award goes to...
South Indian!
రాజమండ్రి రాగమంజరి మాయమ్మ పేరు తలవనోళ్ళు లేరు మేస్తిరి కళాకారుల ఫ్యామిలీ మరి ఏ గచ్చ కడితే నిగరపోదు నిండు రాత్రి
కుర్చీని మాట్లాడబెట్టి ఆ కుర్చీని మాట్లాడబెట్టి
అప్పుడు పోడ 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 అస్తి
definitely the true to its award category. It had every ingredient and hit every note.
Deserving winners.
Alright, this next award goes to the people who clearly didn't believe in picking just one lane. The Best All-Rounder Award.
They've got a little bit of everything. Some chaos, some mischief, and just when you think you figured out their vibe,
They switch it up and suddenly it's as wholesome as it gets.
and honestly, just like them, their performance does it all too. No one style, no one mood, just everything coming together.
So get ready, Claremont.
Give it up for our bandus.
So still know that you can, the magic you began. Let's shout, break out, come on once again, let's hear it. Tumajale, once more, come on, people. Tumajale, 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 tumajale. Machale, machale. You can be लगा है जैसे हाँ यही बस यही समा है जिसमें जिंदगी है जीनी ऐसे एक पल वो बाकी जैसे अजनबी जहाँ आके लग जाए
Brought some doom in the room.
It's crazy how they kept things interesting the whole way through.
Give it up once again for Pomona. Our next category is not for the faint of heart. The Best Pataka Award.
This one is for the performers who don't just take the stage, they ignite it. We're talking fire, attitude, and a whole lot of heat. The kind that makes it impossible to look away.
From dreamy moments that feel straight out of a quad,
to beats that pull you into a full-on trance.
This performance is bringing all the drama, all the confidence, and all the spark.
So get ready, because things are about to get heated on this stage.
And this award goes to Sultry!
मैं रूठिया यार मनावांगी हर चिलमन फूक जलावांगी जद पत्थर राजा पिघलेगा तद मैं कमली कहलावांगी तद मैं कमली कहलावांगी मेरे मोहिया सनम जानम कीवे करे अनविधानम शब गुजरे ते जग सोया नी मैं जगे अनविधानम नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली ढील दिल को कर गया तू दरिया दरिया मेरे यारा अखियां से मोहल्ले में हर शाम तेरा आलम शब गुजरे ते जग सोया नी मैं जगे अनविधानम नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली मेरे यार दी नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली मेरे यार दी कमली ख्वाब देखे झूठे मूठे पत्तियां बनाए कैसे सजना अनाड़े बेईमान ख्वाब देखे झूठे मूठे पत्तियां बनाए कैसे सजना अनाड़े बेईमान ख्वाब देखे झूठे मूठे पत्तियां बनाए कैसे सजना अनाड़े बेईमान Hey mister, you say you want me until I'm fine, but tell me now, are you a player? Say what? Huh? Chicka chicka, chicka chicka.
अदाने मुझ पे ये कैसा जादू किया रे Love's the game I wanna play I am craving for your body now Sexy, lady Got me crazy Be my baby Give me all your love now
रानी मेरे साथ माल फूक फूक ले थामू तेरी कमर तू के फिर घूट ले सांसों से चढ़ेगी तू कश तो लगा ले अरे दम बोले दम का अब मजा लूट ले चंदन ये बदन मत कर तू जतन हम दम मेरे संग दूरी में तू पतंग दम दम बम बम खींच मेरे हम दम दम का बम खींचेगी तू भूलेगी तू सारे गम
Wow, what an absolute dhamaka.
I mean, the energy, the attitude, the confidence, unmatched. Now, we arrive at the category that needs absolutely zero build-up.
Because some things just speak for themselves.
This is the category for the performance that walked on stage and made everyone forget what they were doing, what they were thinking, and honestly, what year it was.
Where every single person in this audience is thinking, Larki kar gayi chul, because she did, effortlessly, without even trying.
Onstage beauty isn't just how you look under the lights. It's how the music sounds better because you're moving to it.
So, presenting the award for the performance that was pure, undeniable, Lights down, spotlight on, beauty.
The Best Onstage Beauty Award.
And the award goes to...
Scripps.
तू होगी 1 to 2 ये what to do तू होगी मुंडे दी पतंगा मरगी तू एवें उड़दी तू होगी मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू करदी अंग्रेजी पढ़दी गिप पिप तू करदी जिम्मे कोई नहीं साडी विक्टोरिया तू कहती बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ दोनों ते पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू कहती बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ दोनों ते पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा जितना उतनी बगावत हो लगता है साल दिल की तुम जरूरत हो जितना उतनी बगावत हो लगता है साल दिल की तुम जरूरत हो
मुझको भी तू जरूरी तू भी नशे में पूरी तो कैसे ये तरफ लग गई मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई सामने आई मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई सामने आई लत लग गई मुझे तो तेरी
लड़की ब्यूटीफुल करके देख तेरा रंग सांवला हुआ बावला लड़की ने ये तो गरम मामला मूर्ति बंद मुड़ी तो हूँ जामला मुझ में कहा नहीं जाए चल तू दिल्ली ले लंदन मटक मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन चल तू दिल्ली ले लंदन मटक मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन गल करने आई है बंधन घोड़ी चल गई धाए और लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल और लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल चलो जैसा बालो लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल
Okay, I'm addicted. मुझे तो seriously लत लग गई.
Same. I was not prepared, and I was standing right here.
And the London Dhamakda, forget the auditorium, I'm pretty sure they felt that in London.
I agree. Now we arrive at the category that simply can't be defined.
And honestly, trying to define it would completely miss the point.
This is the award for the performance that walked on stage with absolutely no interest in following the rules.
Because when your dil is badtameez, rules were never really part of the plan.
This kind of performance doesn't ask for the room's energy.
It creates its own, from scratch, out of thin air.
So presenting the award for the performance that answered to nobody and the universe that rewarded them for it.
The Best Free Spirit Award.
And the award goes to Pitzer!
चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोल गिली गिली अक्खा मेरी बात तेरी बात ज्यादा बातें बुरी बात थाली में कटोरा लेकर आलू भात पूरी बात मेरे भी जो किसी ने रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे तोड़ा मुक्का
Okay, about the Musical, that was not a song. That was a personal philosophy, and they lived it in real time.
Give it up one more time for Pitzer!
Now, for one of the most iconic categories of the night, the Best Tumka Award.
Because let's be real, Bollywood would not be Bollywood without its unforgettable item numbers.
This is where the drama is louder, the expressions are sharper, and the nakra is on another level.
From adai that command attention to moves that define the moment.
These performances don't just entertain, they own the spotlight.
A little bit of ishq, a little bit of attitude, and a whole lot of main character energy.
And the award goes to...
Item!
जो मर भी मैं भूल गई जाने जा तेरे लिए अरे झुमका भी मैं भूल गई जाने जा तेरे लिए तेरे लिए तेरे लिए तेरे लिए फिर क्या हुआ अरे छोड़ छाड़ के अपने सभी की
was absolutely lethal.
Safe to say that stage has officially been claimed.
Our final performance category of the night, loudest crowd reaction.
The one that takes the energy to its absolute peak and ends the night with a bang.
Straight from this vibrant stage of Punjab, the style is all about power, pride, and unstoppable energy.
With booming beats, infectious rhythms, and moves that demand you get up and join in.
We expect nothing less than absolute chaos, in the best way possible.
And the award goes to...
Bhangra!
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this.
ਨਾਲੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਰਜੇ ਤੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
Get ready. I'm a king with a buck, my same. It's a big boy thing. My sex swing back when another man swings. So I make my mama proud and that make your hands ring. Father, forgive me, I can forgive them. You know my history, you know what I did then. Know what I do now, a whole lot worse. Heavy is the head, it's a blessing and a curse.
Wow, what an incredible night it's been.
From stunning performances to unforgettable moments, Sanskriti truly brought out the stars tonight.
A huge thank you to all the dancers, organizers, and of course, you, our amazing audience.
And a special shout out to Tamasha for putting together this spectacular show.
Good night. Good night, and we'll see you next year.
Yeah,